to your lesson on measures of central tendency. This is a very big idea in mathematics and statistics. Please be ready to take notes on the notes page that has been provided to you. So first of all, measures of central tendency are used to tell us where the center of data lies. So these measures will tell us all about the center of a data set. The three most common measures of central tendency are mode, mean, and median. The mode is the value that occurs most frequently in a set of data. The mean is the sum of all values divided by the number of values in the data set. It's also known as the average. And the median is the middle value in a data set. The position of the median value is found using n+1 divided by 2, where n is the number of data points in the data set. There's also other measures called measures of dispersion. Central tendency tells you where the middle of data is. Measures of dispersion tell you how spread out data is. One very common measure of dispersion is called range. Here's a sample problem. We're going to calculate the mode, median, and mean for each data set. Here we have a data set. First thing you should always do is reorder the data set. So in A, I took that and I reordered it like this. Now let's find the mode. The mode is the most frequently occurring piece of data. Here we can see 1 appears twice, so that is the mode. It occurs most frequently. The mean is the sum of all these values. Sum of all these values divided by the number of values. So I do 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 7 and so on, plus 10, dot, dot, dot here to avoid writing it all. And there are 7 pieces of data divided by 7. So the mean or the average is 5.57. The median is the middle value. To find the middle value, remember the position, we do n+1 divided by 2. Here we have 7 pieces of data. So we're going to do 7 plus 1 divided by 2. That ends up being 8 divided by 2. So it tells us the median will be at the 4th position. So here's the 4th position. That will give us 4, so we're at the 4th position. That is the median value. And that makes sense because we have 3 before and 3 after, so that's the middle value. So the median is 7 at the 4th position. Now let's find the range. The range is maximum value minus minimum value. So 10 minus 1 is 9. It tells us this data has a spread of 9. All right, let's look at B. In B, we're going to reorder the data as well. Here it is. That data has been reordered. Let's find the mode. There is no mode. All the values appear once. None of them appear more than once, so there's no most frequent value. Mean. For the mean, we're going to add them up. So again, 2 plus 3 plus dot, 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 plus 13 divided by, now we have 8 pieces of data. So the mean or the average of that works out to 6.5. Now let's find the median. The median is the middle piece of the middle data point. Here we have 8 data points. So if we do this formula to find the position of the median, 8 plus 1 divided by 2, that's 9 divided by 2. 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. So at the 4.5th position is where the median is. That tells us the median is not the 4th one, it's not the 5th one, but it's the 4.5th one. So something in between there. And to find something that lies exactly in between, we just add the two values, 5 and 6, and divide by 2. And we find out that 5.5 is the number in between those, and therefore that is the median. And I don't know if that appeared there. Yeah, 5.5 is the median. Then to find the range, we do high minus low, or maximum minus minimum, 13 minus 2, 11. The range of values here is 11. Their dispersion or spread is 11. All right, so try this one. We have a stem and leaf plot, which represents some data. Your job is to find the mode, median, and range. Sorry, mode, median. Yeah, you don't have to find the mean. First of all, it's important to know that this represents 17 pieces of data, and the data here is the number of emails received by Janet every day for 17 days. So in other words, one day she received 4 emails, 5 emails, 8 emails, and some other days she received 31, 32, 36, and so on. There's how many emails she received each day. So go ahead, find the mode. median, and range. You can do it.